Now more than ever, effective cleaning and sanitation of your facility is truly essential to operating your business or campus. The added time and materials needed to make sure you are providing a safe space for employees, patients, customers, and students can become costly. We are all facing new and sometimes very difficult challenges. Solo's CLEANLine sprayers were engineered for cleaning and disinfection by a leader in the spraying and mist-blowing industry with over 70 years of experience. CLEANLine is Solo's most purpose-built, durable line of sprayers. CLEANLine sprayers offer seal options that are compatible with chemical solutions used for cleaning, disinfecting, and sanitizing to include protection against coronaviruses such as SARS, MERS, COVID-19, and other pathogens. CLEANLine sprayers and foamers are not just tools, they're a strategy. Minimize waste and lost time. Efficiently and easily clean entire facilities or any small business. With patented features like our VarioFoam nozzle and chemical-resistant seals, we have taken every measure to manufacture the ultimate solution for professionals. Rugged, lightweight construction and user-friendly features allow you to take control of your time and get the job done right. Knowing that you have the right tool for the job is important. Solo's A-Series CLEANLine sprayers are equipped with Viton seals throughout for low pH acidic solutions. The B-Series CLEANLine sprayers are equipped with EPDM seals throughout for high pH alkaline solutions. Both families have a variety of applicator sizes and features depending on your particular needs. Visit us online at us.solo.global to learn more. For all your cleaning, disinfecting, and sanitizing needs, you can rely on the CLEANLine family of products from Solo, the better choice since 1948.